qué pendejo. Es un pinche
You
helicóptero.
get the strength to eat them.
¿Cómo le
Little
adiviné,
black
oiga?
flies.
¿Cómo le adiviné? ¿Cómo le adiviné? ¿Cómo le adiviné?
That's cool. I like it.
Es que dijo el güey necesita chingo de pilas. La próxima iba a ser un
But
si no era helicóptero.
there's a catch. You'll see right now.
Ah, sí, oiga.
The helicopter itself does not require batteries. The helicopter itself recharges. It is the remote control that requires batteries.
Ah, no, sí, ya llegué.
No, acaba de llegar.
Pero acaba de llegar Javier con ella.
Oh, look what they gave me.
Oh, that's cool.
Pretty, and it's in red. How does she know?
Ah,
They
You'll
even have-
notice different colors that to not get confused while
Thanks,
flying.
Jim and Grizzle.
¿Mande?
I wonder if this is gonna be too much
No,
rain.
aquí está de lado esto.
No, it's made out of metal.
Yeah, but these are indoor. I'm saying that might be enough wind to make like
No.
difficult.
They're indoor and outdoor.
Really?
Yep.
I
Oh,
thought
from
when they were-
ThinkGeek.com?
I thought when they were this small they had to be indoor.
Indoor outdoor choppers. And the controller uses the batteries.
They even have a little duck
But
one.
the chopper itself charges from the controller.
They even have a little duck pop-up book. And a cow.
Los deditos con helicóptero.
Si ahorita déjese ahorita que le trate de bombardear de arriba a ver si dices que es para niños esto.
They even have a little duck one.
Gobernador.
Also have little penguin.
And a pig.
Where does this is an extra prop? A spare prop or what?
Yeah, I think it's an extra.
You don't have to assemble anything, do you?
Nope.
Y que si no es helicóptero es un submarino.
Pero cuando te metes al ver top,
Pues no, pues usted sabe, cuando voy de pesca se ponen unas cosas peligrosas. Ya registré mi barco.
sí.
Remember that deck you saw in the garage?
Yep.
It's got a title now.
It's a boat now?
Yep. TX3208 Bravo Hotel.
Damn.
That's the name of my boat.
Bravo Hotel.
Okay, check it out. The little plug thing goes under the chopper. That's to charge it. I think. Wait, no. Am I mistaken? Yes, I am mistaken. Yes, that's where it charges.
Hay tantos chiquitos que los pueden desbaratar.
Yeah, that's where it goes.
And then where does this from? So the control plugs into the USB?
I think it can charge directly from it. Look, and I think the USB is in case you want to charge from the computer. I think. But I guess let's plug batteries in these things and let's see. You need a screwdriver. Necesitamos un screwdriver.
Había dicho, vamos a estar hasta en la madrugada, nosotros vamos a amanecer. No, hombre.
Necesitamos un screwdriver chiquito.
A ver, chiquitito.
Ah, no sé, es que I think I got it.
No tan chiquito.
I got one. I got a few.
Yo creo que está súper chingón.
Qué bonito está.
They even have a little cow and a puppy and a dino and a lamb.
Los ojos también los mandó a la oficina.
Sí, ahí tengo el de Berta y el de Leti, el de Mofles, el de Ricky, el de Carlos y el de la Vera, de Panca.
Blam.
Nomás faltaron las cookies.
Look at those batteries.
El de Panca es uno de jalapeño, con que de venado y jalapeño creo.
I suppose we could read the instructions to verify. So we think that I just.
Mándeme.
Yo no tengo café para los tamales en la mañana.
I go get coffee later.
¿Eh?
I go get coffee later.
Okay, see? Take out the charging plug from the bottom of the controller and connect it to the socket on the helicopter. The green light on the controller will turn on. The charging time is 25 to 30 minutes. The green light will turn off when the helicopter is fully charged. And then after that, it has about a 7-minute flight time and then another like 5 or 10 minute charge time. So after charging it the first
So-
time, it's good to fly for a good 7 minutes.
But you can also charge it
From your
via
computer.
USB.
Yep. Okay.
So that you don't use the batteries on your controller.
Remote, yeah, exactly. And since there's always a computer nearby, that will probably prove helpful.
Le manda a Yuri de Best Buy.
Sí. Ese es el que dice, Yuri, Merry Christmas, fuck you.
Creo que de Walmart. El que le dio de Walmart con Yuri.
Sí.
A Yuri.
What's that other gift you got, Robert?
Oh yeah.
Missiles.
The other one is something that I thought would look really cool on those bookshelves you have in there. Living room.
My ginormous bookshelf.
Yeah. That's cool. Is it to give you an extra propeller?
Power. Check. So when you put this one
Pues
on,
la que estás haciendo.
the green light will come on.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Wait.
Make sure that you put it in.
Where's the?
It's right under the little LED. Yeah, because that little thing up there is a light, so that way you can fly it at night. So you can track it as it flies.
So mine did it was, but it was supposed to have a little cover on it or something?
No.
No, just straight out like that.
Yeah.
I thought you open something. Which direction does it point?
I think it's this way.
This one looks like
I think. Let's see. Yeah, you see? I got the charge on.
green light.
Yeah.
Set the band selector with some fixture.
What?
Oh, okay. So like I'll take A channel, you take B channel, so our
Yeah.
signals don't mix.
Correct. Charging socket. Power winch? Fuck.
If helicopter rotates whilst in operation.
Oh yeah, you can stabilize it.
Trim to adjust. What's the word?
That little.
Oh. Okay, now it just looks like it's like something to adjust. Set the power switch on. Push the up down choice.
El mío está rojo.
The LED circuit board will light up. Is that on the